In the captivating world of beauty, Indian makeup holds a treasure trove of vibrant colors, intricate designs, and a rich cultural narrative that stretches back centuries. Today, focus narrows to the eyes, windows to the soul, framed by the artistry of Indian makeup techniques. Start the journey by prepping the eyelids. Sweep on an eyeshadow primer. This base is crucial. It's the canvas that will support a myriad of colors, ensuring they remain vibrant and crease-free throughout the day. Once the base sets, pick up a fluffy blending brush. Dip it into a shade slightly darker than the natural skin tone. This is your transition shade, essential for creating a natural gradient. Apply it into the crease using gentle windshield wiper motions. Blend thoroughly to avoid any harsh lines, setting the stage for a seamless color story. Now, the heart of the look, selecting a rich, jewel-toned eyeshadow. Think sapphires, emeralds, and rubies. With a flat eyeshadow brush, pack this color onto the lid. Build the intensity gradually. This isn't a race, but a ritual, celebrating depth and beauty. To add dimension, choose a darker shade like deep brown or black. Focus on the outer corner of the eye. Use a smaller brush to apply the color in a precise V shape, blending into the crease to ensure unity in your color story. Highlighting comes next. Select a shimmery or matte highlight shade. Apply it to the inner corners of the eyes and just beneath the brow bone. This not only brightens the eyes, but also gives an illusion of depth, making them pop. Eyeliner is your next tool. Opt for a waterproof gel or liquid eyeliner to draw a classic winged line. Start from the inner corner, extending the line outward, and flick it upwards at the outer corner to lift and elongate the eye shape. Mascara adds the final flourish. Apply several coats to both the upper and lower lashes, ensuring each lash is coated evenly to add both length and volume. For an extra touch of drama, consider applying false eyelashes, securing them close to the natural lash line. Finish by checking for symmetry and blending any harsh edges. Clean up any fallout with a makeup wipe and add a touch more highlighter to the inner corners for that extra sparkle. As the tutorial wraps up, remember, makeup is not just about beauty, but an expression of self and culture. Encourage experimentation with colors and techniques to find that unique style. Share this journey of beauty exploration with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and celebrate the diversity it represents.